Assalamualaikum my dear friends, welcome back again my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you people are really fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be keep smile. So today we watch dear friends and dear subscribers. Today you will see in this video most beautiful and stylish you will see in this video 40 plus unique girls nail art ideas. Latest and stylish you will see unique modern 40 plus attractive girls nail art, nail polish and modern girls nail art ideas in 2023. So here we watch dear friends and dear subscribers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon you will get notifications of all of my videos. I have uploaded modern girls nail art, nail polish and stylish girls nail cutting designs. Lovely viewers, do you have new ideas of unique girls nail art ideas? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my videos. I always try to bring stylish, unique girls nail cutting designs. So lovely viewers, I always try to bring very unique and very stylish, modern girls nail art ideas. So there's a huge variety of designs in these videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. If you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. Today you will see in this videos unique and stylish, modern, attractive girls nail cutting designs. So lovely viewers, today you will see in this videos very beautiful and very stylish, modern, stylish, unique girls nail cutting designs. Lovely viewers, I always try to bring beautiful, stylish, unique girls nail art ideas. So dear viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and watch my videos. So take care friends.